Hi guys, welcome back to Shane's Main Shop. I apologize, I should have shown more of this in the beginning, but a week or two ago I was backing my truck up and believe it or not, I caught my mirror on my bus mirror. And if you're interested about the bus, swing over to Life the Wild Ride. We're converting a bus into a tiny house. But anyway, the bus mirror proved to be a little bit stronger because I snapped my truck mirror right off the truck. And what happened is the bolt snapped off. I had to drill it out. So, I mean, you can see the remnants of that mess there. Just, I used a smaller drill. I put a center punch in what was left of the bolt, cut it off, put a center punch, drilled it out, and then used a larger size drill bit to get it back to the proper size. And now I am just re-tapping the hole so I can put a new bolt up through the bracket on the truck into the mirror here. So Tracy's gonna hold the camera real quick, just kind of show you what I'm doing. So basically, I mean, I got this down in there quite a ways now, but when I drilled it, of course, the sidewalls are all just smooth because I just drilled it out. And you just find the appropriate size tap, and then it's basically, this is designed to make new threads, and that's what we're doing. We just put a little bit of oil in there when we started. Let me just clean off what's on there. And it's tapered at the end so you can get it to start in the holes. You didn't see that part. Again, like I said, I apologize, but once you get it going, let me get it back down in so we're cutting threads again. Put a little bit of oil down in there. So we're not cutting yet, we're just threading it back the way we were. Okay, now she's tightened up. Here, probably gonna block it. So just using two hands here. Back up so you can see. So you can see, oh, and I just bottomed out, but what you want to do is back off every once in a while too, so those threads, the cuttings kind of clean out of the threads of the tap. But I think we're all the way in. Just loosen her back up. And should hopefully be able to see down in there new threads cut, and if I get close enough, hopefully that'll focus on that spot. There we go. See that new threads cut down in there? And originally that was just a smooth drill hole, so now we just find the appropriate bolt size and we can go put this back onto the truck. So I won't bore you with searching for bolts, so hang on a second. It's about 4 or 5 days later, but the last thing I gotta fix, well, not fix, I just gotta remove this bolt, which should not be a problem, just rusted in there. If I put a wrench on there, you can see what happened. It snapped off. I do want to save these Teflon washers because that allows you to adjust your mirror. So I'm going to go ahead and get a wrench, pop this off, and get the new mirror bracket, not new mirror bracket, but my new bolt installed into the original mirror. So hopefully that's pretty rusted, but I have to put the camera down, but oh, that's really rusted. Okay, yeah, I didn't think that was gonna be that stuck. All right, I have to put the camera down, put a bigger wrench on this. I just got the proper size wrench, 9/16, and yeah, it is definitely stuck. All right, bear with me. It only took me a second. Basically, once I put the camera down, put one hand here, my other hand on the wrench, I was able to give it the torque it needed to break it loose. So we can see now it's loose, and we'll just get it pull out here. Let's just set the wrench down here. So I know what's going to happen. Yeah, so I thought it's going to kind of fall out like that, but it's okay. We'll just clean all this up here. I got to get that other wash off there, and we'll clean them up a little bit, and then we get the new mirror bolt that I tapped the new threads for right there, and we'll be good to go. All right, so I'm probably not gonna be able to do this one-handed, and it's cold out and I'm kind of rushing because I just realized we got a foot of snow coming and I wasn't really expecting it this early. And I just got the plow on the truck, and so I'm just kind of really scurrying around here trying to do these last-minute projects. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna put the camera down. I apologize because I gotta hold this up through and then put the mirror on top, and I gotta clean more of that rust out I can see, and then I'll screw it down. So yeah, just bear with me and I'll show you what the results are. Now it's just a matter of tightening it up. And again, I'll see if I can show this, but it's really not nothing special here. Just so far so good. Now you don't want to crank it down because you want to be able to adjust it. That's pretty snug right there. I'll go a little bit tighter. All right, well, there you go. Let me just kind of look back here, see if it, I can see it's angled down, that's for sure. So I gotta fix that. And we're good to go, but essentially, we got the mirror back on. I just gotta clean it, and we're good to go. We got the other one that I replaced, I think last year, the year before. But yeah, you know, sometimes it just takes a few extra minutes to fix something, but there's absolutely nothing wrong with this, and nobody would even know what happened if I didn't tell you or show you. So yeah, just another quick repair here at Shane's Main Shop. Please like, subscribe, comment, come back often for more videos. As always, have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.